It swings down the backstretch for today's second race. Back half of the double on the move. Second grassroots division for 3-year-old pacing fillies picking up speed. And there they go. And they're off and pacing with Eyewitness Account, Spirit in Her Eyes. They battle early for early contention. All Chocolate is racing third. The middle sees Heavenly Hash. And No Autographs, Please, is racing fifth. Sitting sixth into that turn, Mock Dismissal, followed by Hey Beautiful and St. Lad's Moxie, the early trailer. Eyewitness Account and Doug McNair, they've opened up an early 3-length lead over Spirit in Her Eyes as All Chocolate is racing third. Sitting fourth, that's a Heavenly Ash, opening quarter of 27-4, and they come down the lane for the first time. Here comes All Chocolate and Scott Zeron. They're going right after the lead, and they're going to battle Eyewitness Account for that. All Chocolate, Eyewitness Account, Spirit in Her Eyes races third. Sitting in fourth, that's a Heavenly Ash, No Autographs, Please, followed by Mock Dismissal, Hey Beautiful, and St. Lad's Moxie. Into the clubhouse turn they go, and All Chocolate and Zeron, they lead the way. Halfway home, 56-2. All Chocolate in front. Eyewitness Account racing in second. Here comes Heavenly Ash on the outside, making a first over move. Fourth, third, second. Heavenly Ash is driving up to battle with All Chocolate, and those two horses are hooked up with 3/8 of a mile remaining. Eyewitness Account sitting in second. No Autographs, Please. Spirit in Her Eyes under some traffic there in fifth. Racing in sixth, the outside sees Hey Beautiful, followed by Mock Dismissal and St. Lad's Moxie, 3 parts of the way home in 125. Leading the way, it's All Chocolate hanging tough as Heavenly Ash is getting the park job on the outside, but not going away. Heavenly Ash will have to dig in. All Chocolate saving ground on the rail. Eyewitness Account is racing third, and they swing for home. The outside sees Heavenly Ash, now slight advantage. All Chocolate racing in second. Eyewitness Account and a Spirit in Her Eyes, followed by Mock Dismissal. At the wire, Rob Shepard gets Heavenly Ash to the front. All Chocolate and Eyewitness Account. 1:54 the time.